Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today I am going to explain lesson number 12, parameter and area, standard 7. Okay, now see children, parameter and area, both the things are correlated with each other, but both the things are different. The first, that is means parameter. Now what is meant by parameter? The parameter means whatever the figure, whatever the diagram we have or we get, so we have to first find out the side of that diagram. Okay, what we have to find out? Side of the diagram. For example, see, this is one different type of diagram is there. We don't know what is exactly name of that diagram. Okay, so actually this is polygon. So first of all, when we have to find out the parameter of this polygon, 1 2 3 4 5 sides are there, so we call that pentagon. Okay, you people don't know? No, maybe last year you people know that 6 standard pentagon is there. So see children, suppose we have to find out the parameter of this pentagon. So what is the parameter of that? So whatever the diagram we have, so when we have to find out the parameter of such a type of a diagram, so that time we want the sum of all sides of the diagram. Okay, we want the sum of all sides. Whatever the sides are there, we add all the sides, then we will get the parameter of that diagram. Got my point everyone? So triangle means 3 sides are there, means sum of 3 sides. Then square, 2 sides are there, 4 sides are there. Then rectangle, 2 equal sides are there. Total number of sides are 4. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. So according to that, formulas are there, and we have to use the formula to find out the parameter, and then we will get the answer. Okay. So first of all, the main concept of the parameter means whatever the diagram we have, so we have to find out the side first. And whatever the sides are there, so we add that all the sides. Okay, we want the sum of that all sides. Okay, then we get the parameter. See children, now this is the classroom. The classroom shape is square, rectangle. Okay, now this is I am giving the example for the parameter. Now this is the classroom, and in that classroom, suppose I want to decorate the wall. Okay, only wall I want to decorate. So for that purpose, first what I am going to take, I want to find out the parameter. So suppose 5 meter length of, and the next is 4 meter length of that classroom. Okay, so 5 meter, 4 meter, this is the length of the classroom, this is the breadth of the classroom. So we have to find out the parameter of this rectangle, then we will use such a type of a formula to find out it. So for example, parameter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2B. Okay, so 2 length is 5 and 2B, B is 4. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So the total is 10 plus 8 is 18. So meter is there. So 18 meter is the parameter of this rectangle. Understood everyone? This is the simple concept about the parameter. Okay, so if you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.